morning, class 10 English medium. Exercise 16.1. Exercise 16.1. Question number 4. Question number 4. In question number 4, the area of each face of cube is 100 centimeter square. Given area of each face. Given area of each face of cube. Each face of a cube is equal 100 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square. Given area of each face of a cube, and we know that each face of cube is square. Each face of cube is square. So given is area of square. So area of square is equal 100 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square. Cube. Each face of cube, this face square. We know that each face of cube is a square. Each face of a, we know that each face of a cube, each face a cube. Like a room, we can say that this face is a square. This face is square. So all faces 1, 2, 3, 4 walls, base and upper part, these are known as faces. So each face of cube is a square, and given area of each face of a cube is equal 100 centimeter square. So area of square, we can say that given area of each face of cube is square. So area of square is equals to 100 centimeter square. Area of square, side square, a square is equals to 100 centimeter square, which imply a is equals to root 100 centimeter. Then a is equals to 10 centimeter. So side of cube. So side of cube, a is equals to 10 centimeter. A is equals to 10 centimeter. Now, if the cube is cut into two equal parts, now you can see figure. If cube is cut into two equal parts, if we cut this cube into two equal parts, if we cut this cube, if we cut this cube, if the cube is cut into two equal parts by a plane parallel to base, the cube is cut by parallel to its base. Then find the total surface area of each equal part. Now, after cutting this cube, we can get two cuboid. We get two cuboids. If this cube is cut parallel to its base, then we get two cuboids. So side of cube A is equal to 10 centimeters. So its length 10 centimeter cubes, its breadth 10 centimeter, and its height also 10 centimeter. Also 10 centimeter. If we cut, like example, this is cube. If we cut cube, if we cut parallel to its base, so there will be no change in length and breadth, and height becomes half. If, like example, if your room is cut parallel to base, if you cut your room parallel to base, then you can say that there will be no change in length and breadth. There will be no change in your room's length and breadth. Height will be half. So we can say that L is equal to 10, and B also 10, and height becomes half, because the cube is cut into two equal parts. Then height becomes half. If the cube is cut parallel to its base in two equal parts, if the cube is cut parallel to its base in two equal parts, then we get two equal cuboids. Okay, then we get two equal cuboids. So length of cuboid. L is equal to 10 centimeter. Breadth of cuboid B is equal to 10 centimeter. If cube is cut, then you only can say that height is equal to half. And height of cuboid H is equal to 5 centimeter. And then you find the total surface area of cuboid. So total surface area of each cuboid. Total surface area of each cuboid. 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 into L into B, 10 into 10, B into H, 10 into 5, H into L, 5 into 10. 5 into 10. 2 centimeter square 2 into 100 plus 50 centimeter square. 100 plus 50 centimeter square. 2 into 100 plus 50 150 plus 50 200 centimeter square. So 2 into 2 4 400 centimeter square. So area of each cuboid is 400 centimeter square. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. An open box, otherwise he can say that a box without lid. An open box means there is no lid, means ढक्कन जिसको आप बोलते हैं. An open box. An open box is made of wood 3 centimeter thick. Its external length, breadth and height are 146, 116 and 83 respectively. Find the cost of painting the inner surface at Rs2 per 1000 square centimeter. So you can say that. So you can see the figure. Given that outer length L1 is equal to 146 centimeter, outer breadth B1 is equal to 116 centimeter, and height H is equal to 83, 146, 116 and 83 centimeter respectively. 83 centimeter square, 83 centimeter respectively. Thickness of wood. The shaded portion shows the thickness of wood. Thickness of wood. That is thickness of wood is equal to 3 centimeter. Is equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter in all sides. Given that outer dimensions of cuboid are L1 is equals to 146 centimeter, B1 is equals to 116 centimeter, H1 is equals to 83 centimeter. 83 centimeter. Next, thickness of wood. Thickness of wood is equal to 3 centimeter. Is equal to 3 centimeter. So the inner dimensions of cuboid, so the inner dimensions of cuboid without lead are inner length L2, L2. If we find inner length, thickness of wood 3 cm, outer length 146 from this point to this point. If we find inner length, outer length from this point to this point, so inner length, this include 3 cm this side or 3 cm this side. If we subtract 146 minus 3 plus 3 is equals to 140 centimeter. You can say that the outer length total 146, if we minus left side thickness of wood 3 cm or right side thickness of wood 3 cm, if we minus 146 minus 3 plus 3 6, then we only get inner length. Okay, next, inner breadth B2, outer breadth 160 minus total 116. If we subtract left side 3 cm or right side 3 cm, then we only get 110 breadth 3 cm this side or 3 cm this side thickness of wood. If we subtract, then we only get inner breadth without thickness of wood. Left side 3 cm, right side 3 cm. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal 110 centimeter. Okay. And last, we can say that in bottom, the thickness of wood is 3 cm. If we find its height h2, we can, in the question given that the box is without lid, otherwise the box is open, so there is no roof. So the thickness is wood is include only in bottom part. If we subtract 83 minus 3, then 80 centimeter is inner height without its lid, open. Height h2 83 minus 3 or bracket 80 centimeter, reason without lid. So now in question we will find inner surface area. So inner surface, so in inner total, so inner surface area of wooden box without lid. अब the box is open. The box is open means there will be no roof. So if we find total surface area of box, then the area of four walls, it's four walls, and area of bottom. So area of four walls plus area of floor. Area of four walls 2 bracket L plus B into H. 2 bracket L plus B into H plus area of floor or base L into B. Area of wooden box without lid means no, the box is open, so without lid. 2 bracket L plus B inner, L 140 plus B 110 into H into S2 80 plus L2 140 into 110 centimeter square. L2 into B. 2 into 250 into 80 plus 0 14 into 1 14 into 1 14 carry 1 15400 centimeter square. 500 into 80 plus 15400 centimeter square. 40 0 plus 15400 centimeter square. 15400 centimeter square. 0 4 5 4 plus 1 5540 centimeter square. Given cost of painting 1000 centimeter square is equal to 2 rupees. Given that cost of painting 1000 centimeter square is equal to 2 rupees. So cost of painting 1 centimeter square, cost of painting 1 centimeter square is equal to 2 upon 1000, 2 rupees. So 1 then 2 upon 1000 rupees. 2 upon 1000 rupees. According to question, cost of painting 55400 centimeter square. 55400 centimeter square. तो 2 upon 1000 into 5540 centimeter rupees. 55400 20 2 5 times, so 554 upon 5, 554 upon 5, 110.45 add 110.80 rupees answer. So total cost of painting is 110.80 rupees. Thank you.